Hi guys, Farrukh Shamuratov is here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you this hairstyle. Each hairstyle that I'm creating, I'm trying to make it interesting, unique and fresh. And that's why I do research and I do drawings before I start hairstyling. Actually, there are a lot of different techniques and hair elements that we can mix with each other. And of course, everybody has their own technique, own way how to do it. So for me, I love to know 100% what I'm gonna do before I start hairstyling. That's why my first step is drawing. If you follow me on Instagram or on Facebook, you probably know that we're working everywhere and traveling like crazy. That's why it's very important to have some plans, otherwise I can get confused. I really believe that you need to do some plans before you start to work with your client. This is the final look and I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up.